Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review the Grasshopper business phone. Grasshopper is a virtual business phone system designed to give small businesses, freelancers, and entrepreneurs a professional way to handle calls and messages. Instead of relying on a traditional landline, Grasshoppers works through your existing mobile phone or computer. You can pick a toll-free number to appear more professional or local number to connect better with nearby customers. The setup is quick and you can start using it in minutes without any extra equipment. It comes with several helpful features. Call forwarding ensures you never miss important calls, while voicemail transcription lets you read messages when you can't listen to them. Custom greetings make your business sound polished, and multiple extensions allow different departments or team members to have their own lines. The mobile and desktop apps are easy to use, letting you handle calls, texts, and voicemails from anywhere. Grasshopper offers reliable call quality and strong customer support, but pricing may feel high for larger teams or businesses that need more advanced features like video conferencing or call analytics. Despite that, it's a great option for small businesses that want to project a professional image, stay organized, and manage communications efficiently without complicated setups. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.